Assalamu alaikum guys. In the last lab we just created the trunk between these two switches. So here we will see how they are communicating each other. If we don't have any VLANs, so we don't need the trunk also, and if we have VLANs both sides and you not communicate each other, then we use the trunk especially, because trunk will throw the all traffic from one side to another. And if we don't have any VLANs and only the IP connectivity at layer 2, we don't need the trunk. We just connect the ports, they are up and they have the same subnets, they can talk each other. Okay, now what we will do, we will create the VLANs and the trunk again. Why we create the VLANs? We just segment our network, and what we will do here, we will define these two PC in the separate VLAN, these two into separate, and these two same here. And if we creating the VLANs, so we should have the trunk to communicate in between, because with the simple connection the VLANs will not go through by the ports until you have trunk. So let's see, we will create the VLANs here. So right now if you see, there is only one VLAN 1 which is default and all the ports are in there. We have to take out these 4 ports because these two belong to our PC1 and 2, and this is PC3 and 4. According to our diagram, we will separate these two into sales VLAN and these two will come in HR. Okay, we will see. VLAN 10, name, sales, VLAN 20. Oh, VLAN 2, VLAN 20. HR. Let's see, let's create it. Okay, so these two sections here, sales and HR, we just created the VLAN for them. And now next job is to move these two PCs into VLAN 10 and these two into VLAN 20 in HR. How we will do? Let's see. Config, interface FA 0x1. So FA01 is a part of VLAN 10 now, same as FA02. So these two ports are in VLAN 10. Now we have to put other two in VLAN 20. We can write like that with the range command FA03 to 4. So same time both will work, means both port will active in the same time for this command. So these two ports will come in with 20. Let's see. Here you can see 1 and 2 in 10 and 3 and 4 in HR. The same work we will do other side. The same thing here, all VLANs are in default VLAN 1, so we have to take them off. Okay, first of all we have to create the VLANs. Sorry about that. Now we will use them into interface. Seven to 8. VLAN 10. Interface. FA 0 by 9 to 10. Typing mistake. No. Here you go. So these pieces will communicate each other because they are in the same VLANs, and these two are in the same VLANs. They will communicate same as other side. These two will communicate, and these two, but from other section to the different section they cannot talk each other right now. First of all we will see if they have a same VLANs, both sides they are talking or no. So you can see there is no communication between two sides. Before VLANs they were talking each other. Now they are separated in the VLANs, segmented. The same as from here. If you see, if you talk from here to other side, They will not talk because they are in a different VLANs now. Before they were all in the default VLAN, which is VLAN 1 in the switch. Now they out from it and they are in a separate VLANs 20 and 10. So for communication between two sides with the VLANs, we need the trunks now. So now we will create the trunk. Right now there is no trunk. No trunk. So switch 1 done. And done. So here you can see if these ports are communicating, they should be green. If you see here, this trunk establisher now, show interface trunk. Here you are, this side, and okay now. So both sides have trunks. If you see, here, switch 2 and switch 1, and you can see we are passing these two VLANs here and we are passing these two VLANs here. Now they will communicate each other. If we go to PC1 and we talk to PC7, let's see. Here you go. And we talk to PC4. There you are. So now we created the VLANs, and after that we created the trunk, and the VLANs are passing through the trunk to other site. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.